Good morning, children, and good morning, parents. Welcome to EduStar International School. You are watching Class 5 Mathematics, Chapter number 6 Factors and Multiples, Part 7. In the last class, we have learnt about how to find LCM by common division method, and we have written some classwork part. Am I right? Today we are going to enter the new concept, that is facts about HCF and LCM. Let us enter Fact 1. The HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. For example, find the HCF of 3 and 4. Here 3 is the prime number and 4 is the composite number. So we are going to write the factor of 3 first. The factor of 3 is equal to 1 and 3 because the 3 is coming in one table, then this number itself. 1 3 is 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, then we are going to write the factor of 4. Factor of 4 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. That means it's coming in one table, 1 4 is 4. Then 4 is coming in two table, 2 2s are 4. And it is coming in fourth table, 4 ones are 4. Okay, so it has the 3 factors. Now we are going to compare the both factors of numbers. Which is the common factor here? Only 1. So that alone same. So 3 and 4s are having 1 is a common factor. So the HCF of 3 and 4 is equal to 1. So 3 and 4 is a co-prime number. Then the LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. For example, find the LCM of 3 and 4. The same number given, the 3 is the prime number and 4 is the composite number. Here the 3 is not divisible by 4, the 4 is not divisible by 3. So what we want to do here? Just we want to multiply the values. That is the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So the LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. Have you understood that? So the 3 and 4 is a co-prime number. So their product is the LCM. So 3 into 4, 12. So 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Then fact 2. If two numbers are factor and multiple of another number, then the smaller number is the HCF and the bigger number is the LCM of the two numbers. Have you understood that? If two numbers are having factor and multiples of one another, then the smaller number is the HCF and the bigger number is the LCM. I am going to explain through example. Consider the numbers 5 and 20. Okay. Here the 5 and 20s are given that the 20 is coming in 5 table. That means 20 is a multiple of 5. Okay. 20 is a multiple of 5. That means, and then 5 is a factor of 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20. The 5 is the one of the factors and 4 is the another one factor. So 5 and 4, 5 4s are 20. So 5 is a factor of 20 and 20 is the multiple of 5. So which is the smallest value here? Yes, 5 is the smallest value. That is a factor. Okay. That factor is the HCF. So HCF of 5 and 20 is equal to 5. And which is the greatest value? 20. That 20 is the LCM. Okay. That is 20 is the LCM of 5 and 20. So the smallest value, that is the HCF, which is the biggest value, that is LCM. So LCM of 5 and 20 is equal to 20. Fact 3. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers. I mean product means multiply. Okay, you multiply the value of LCM and HCF. That value is equal to the product of the two numbers, means multiple of two numbers. Okay, that is both are equal. I am going to explain through example. Consider the numbers 12 and 15. Okay, if you find the HCF by using these two values 12 and 15, you are getting HCF. HCF of 12 and 15 is equal to 3. Easily you can find the 12 and 15s are coming in 3 table. So that is the lowest value. 3 is the smaller value. So that is the HCF. Okay. So the next one, LCM we are going to find using 12 and 15. So the LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You are getting 60. Okay. So use common division method or short division method to find the LCM. You get the value 60. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 60. Okay, now we are going to the product of HCF and LCM going to find. So now LCM into HCF, product means multiply. So we are going to multiply the both values. What is the LCM? 60. What is the value for HCF? 3. So 60 into 3, you are getting 180. Okay. Now already we are using two numbers to find HCF and LCM. What is that? 12 and 15. These are the two numbers. These two numbers we are going to product again. So also the product of two numbers, that is 12 into 15. So 12 into 15, if you are multiplying these two values, you will get the answer 180. So both values are equal. So yeah, forming the formulas, LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. That is a formula. Okay, this formula going to use to find the value. For example, given the value for HCF, product of two numbers, they are asking to find LCM, means you can use this formula. LCM equal to product of the two numbers divided by HCF. Okay, suppose they are asking to find HCF, given the value for LCM and product of the two numbers, means you can use HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers divided by LCM. You should study the formulas thoroughly that help you to do the word problems. Next we are going to study fact 4. The HCF of the given numbers is always a factor of the LCM. I am going to explain through example. Now we are going to verify the LCM into HCF equal to product of the two numbers. If the two numbers are 16 and 24, to find HCF of the given numbers using the short division method. First I am taking 16, use only the prime factors to divide the value, you have to get 1. And take 24, you have to divide the value using the prime factors, have to get 1. Okay, we have found it. And now we are going to take and write 16 equal to how many factors we are having? 4 times of 2's are there. Take and write all those factors using multiplication symbols. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then write 24. How many factors we are having? 3 times of 2's and 1 times of 3. So use the multiplication symbol to write. So 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So write all those things. Now we are going to find the HCF. HCF means we want to compare the both factors. So which are common factors that we want to circle. So how many 2's are here? 4 2's are there here. 3 2's are there. So we are having 3 times of 2's common. So we are going to circle that. So first 2's are common, I circled. Second 2's are common, having in 24 also. And third 2 also having in 24. So remain 2 and 3 not having any other common factor. We are having the 3 times of 2's are common. So we want to take and write all those factors to multiply. So HCF equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So HCF equal to 8. Then we are going to find the LCM using the same value. So how to find LCM, I am going to explain again. So use the same value. 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now you see here we are having two different numbers. One is 2, another is 3. So first I go with the 2. Which numbers are having maximum number of 2's? So 16 is the maximum number of 2's it has, isn't it? So it has 4 times of 2's are there. So I am going to select those 4 2's. Okay. So I underline the 4 2's. And second number, I mean 3, second different number 3. So which number is having maximum number of 3's? Only 24 alone having only 1 times of 3. So that I am going to underline. Okay. Now what and all we underline here, that we want to take and write to multiply the values. So 4 times of 2's you want to write and 1 time of 3 also. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we want to multiply those values. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. So take and write the 48. So we found now HCF and LCM, what values they are having. Okay, then we are going to product the HCF and LCM. So HCF into LCM is equal to substitute the value for HCF and substitute the value for LCM. So HCF equal to 8 into what is the value for LCM? 48. So 8 into 48, if you multiply these two values, you will get 384. Then we want to find the next after the equal, what is that product of two numbers. In the formula, what is given after the equal to product of two numbers. So that we are going to find. What numbers are given in the question? 16 and 24. So that two numbers we are going to multiply. So product of two numbers equal to 16 into 24. If you multiply these two values, finally we get 384. So both values are getting equal. So here 384, product of two numbers also you are getting 384. So both are equal. So the finally the given the formula is correct. Okay, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Have you understood that? Here 8 is a factor of the LCM. Let us start to write math classwork. So you have to take math classwork note, pen, black stick, pencil, ruler. So before start to write, you should draw the margin, side margin and top margin and today's date. Already we have completed up to the divisibility rule with the sums. Okay, after then you start from this. Highest common factors. The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest among common factors. We can find HCF of two or more numbers using prime factorization method and long division method. Then Roman letter 5, find the common factors of the following numbers, then find their HCF. A, 42 and 70. Solution. And factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. And factors of 70s are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. So common factors are 1, 2, 7, 14. So which is the highest common factors of 42 and 70 is 14. So HCF equal to 14. So copy everything without make mistake. B, 72 and 48. Write the solution. The HCF of 72 and 48 is equal to 24. Already I explained everything thoroughly in the previous classes. So just you have to copy in your math class note. C, 16 and 56. Write the solution. The HCF of 16 and 56 is equal to 8. Roman letter 6. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. A, 60 and 72. Finally, we are getting the answer. The HCF of 60 and 72 is equal to 12. Just take snap and just copy in your math class note. Then B, 24, 45 and 57. Write down the solution. The HCF of 24, 45 and 57 is equal to 3. And C, 144, 180, 192. The HCF of 144, 180 and 192 is equal to 12. Then room letter 7. Find the HCF of the following by long division method. A, 72 and 192. Write down the solutions. In this division method, the last divisor is the HCF. So the last divisor is the HCF of 72 and 192 is equal to 24. B, 8064, 4410. While dividing using the common division method, the last divisor is the HCF. Here, the HCF of 8064, 4410 is equal to 81. C, 264, 849 and 384. Write down the solution. We get finally the HCF of 264, 849 and 384 is equal to 24. Then next topic, least common multiples. So write down the LCM. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number, which is a multiple of each of the numbers. So we can find the LCM of two or more numbers by prime factorization method and common division method. So take snap and just copy in your math class note. Letter A, to find the LCM of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. A, 72 and 90. Write down the solution as usual. Take and write all those factors. So here we are having the three different numbers, 2, 3 and 5. We are having three different numbers. First go with the 2. Which numbers are having maximum number of 2's? 72 has 3 times of 2. 90 has only 1 time of 2. Okay, so among those two, which is having more? 72, because it has 3 2's. So we are going to underline 3 2's. Okay, then go with the 3. Here, which numbers are having maximum number of 3's? 72 has 2 times, 90 has 2 times. So both numbers are having equal number of 3's. You can underline any number of 3's, 72 or 90. Here I go with the 72. So I underline that 3's. Okay, 3 into 3 I underline. Then go with the 5. So which numbers are having maximum number of 5? 72 has no 5. 90 has only 1 time of 5. So underline only 1 5. So what we underlined here, that all those things you have to take and write and multiply finally that. So LCM of 72 and 90 is equal to 360. 42, 18, 24. Write down all the solution. The LCM of 42, 18, 24 is equal to 504. C, 12, 18, 24, 36. Write down the solutions. The LCM of 12, 18, 24, 36 is equal to 72. Letter 9. Find the LCM of the following numbers by the common division method. 72 and 96. The LCM of 72 and 96 is equal to 288. So copy everything in your math class note without mistakes, without overwriting. And B, 36, 60, 48. Write in the solution. The LCM of 36, 60 and 48 is equal to 720. And C, 175, 168 and 350. Write down the solution. The LCM of 175, 168 and 350 is equal to 4200. You had to complete from room letter 5 to 9. You had to write everything neatly without making mistakes and overwriting. Thank you children. Thank you parents. We will meet in the next class.